everybody, hey, it's Lisa here from Lisa Perez Creations. It's time for another video that I'm going to do out of our Spring Birds journal that we've been working on for a while here. And I do want to show you that I did change one of the things that we did in the last video. I'll show you. We made that little book, and I decided, let me find it here, and I decided to change it because it was just way too bulky for the journal, and because the tie was on this end here, and it was just making it really bulky. And what I did is I went ahead and I took the picture off of the other paper, put it on some different paper. I just want to show you here, and I put a little closure on the edge on the side here for this book because it's less bulk. There's less bulk on this edge than there is in the center. It's a lot more bulk. So anyway, I just ran this same ribbon here around it and glued it on each end, and then I just made a closure in the front. And this, for the pockets in the inside, I used some old book pages. I made two pockets. They're different pockets, and then some tags I just kind of put in here in different paper. And then what I did was I just sewed this together on my sewing machine. I drug my sewing machine out. I know I've been lazy about it, but I drug it out, and I decided to just dig a line down the whole book. I sewed this whole book together, so and that makes it a little easier. I think that I'm way more happier with it with this than I was with the other, because I kept trying to get it to work, and it just didn't seem like it was working too well. But so anyway, I changed that, so I just wanted to show you guys that. So now, when it goes in here, it just fits really nice on the edge. It's not a lot of bulk, so that's really what I like. So anyway, we're going to come over to a page that we were working on yesterday, or the other day, where I did this envelope, and I put the envelope on here, and I was going to come up with an idea to put something inside of the envelope. And then, like I showed you guys last time, I took this beautiful card and decided to put this tag inside of the back of this envelope than the other one I had. And I like it, and I backed it with some lined paper. So it's kind of cute. So anyway, that's going to just fit in here. And then I have an idea for this pocket. And then I have another idea back over here for another idea what I want to do. So, okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started. And first what I want to do is work on this. And as you can see, I have, this is part of the kit from the Spring Birds from Compass and Ink. This was part of their kit that I've been using. And I really like this bird, but I really didn't want a lot of the lines on the front of it. So I decided that I would just go ahead, and I took a card. This was the card that I had in here for a little while, and it fits in here. So I wanted to make sure that that if I made another card, it'd have to fit in here. And so then I took this and I just traced around here, and I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm going to put some backing on here too. So okay, so let's go ahead and get started with that. And so what I've already done to save some time is I've already drawn around it, and I'm just going to cut it out. And and I was going to just do this off camera, but then I thought, oh no, I'm going to just do it on here so you guys can see what you guys can do. Like, this is going to be a potential of what you could do with a paper like this, of what I'm going to do with it. I'm not going to use it the way it was intended. I'm going to use it in a different way. So cut that out. Like that. So that's going to be like the little journaling card. I think that looks so pretty. And then I'm going to come back in here, and I'm going to use some of this backing to put on for the back of there. So I'm going to cut this out so that I know what I'm doing here. Let's save that. So this is where I want this card to be. I guess it's a little bit bigger there. Okay, I'm going to put it right on that edge. So I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to glue it on right here and make this my backing for my card. So I have lines on one side, and I have my bird on the other. So where is my little thing at? This little thing. this little deal. I'm gonna do my gluing and my whatever I want to do on this. So anyway, how's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great day. Like I say every time, it's always good to have a good day. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this. I'm sure that's right. Yeah. I'm gonna just glue this right on there. And then I'm gonna cut it out. Cut this out. And this art glitter glue dries really quick, so that's what I love about it. Okay, go ahead and cut this out. There, looks cute. So that's just perfect little, looks like it was just made that way. Little journaling card. Yeah, incidentally, this morning, my husband texted me on his way to work and said that there was a big sale, yard sale down the street from my house, and it was right there. I thought it was going to be further down, but it was just right there. And I went in there and I got some few things. You know, I got some little tins to put, you know, for storage and stuff like that, and just little stuff. And then the lady told me that she's going to be, it's an estate sale, and she's going to be doing it for a couple weekends. And I thought, oh, that's great, because just up the street I could walk over there. And she said she's going to be doing it for a couple weekends, and I was like, oh, good. So I'll definitely coming back. I told her I'm definitely going to come back. And she has, she's going to have some different stuff. I don't remember what she said that she has, but she's got a lot of stuff that was her mom's that she's going to bring out, and it'll be fun. So, okay, there's that card. That looks pretty nice. Let me put this, see how this is going to look in here. Okay. And this is going to just open up like that. And look at this card. It's going to just slide right in there. Just like that. You know, it does make it easier when you take this out. You slide the card right in there. So that's that. Got that done. Oh, and then another one thing I want to do is, I found this is part of this same kit here. And I was going to just come in and glue that down on here. I thought that looked kind of pretty on there. That's a little decoration, I guess you'd say. Kind of matched the colors. Thought it looked really pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to just put that right there. Glue that whole thing on. Glue the whole thing on. Okay. That right there. It's pretty, and so then when this comes down, it's just going to be like that. It's going to look really, looks pretty. You know, I could even put some lace on it maybe down the road. Just kind of really kind of liven it up a little bit. And that's pretty. Get this cut even. I just think I'll put that right on there. Cut it. Oh, it might even look really pretty right on the end like that. Yeah, I like that. you can see this. Put that right there. There's a little bit of overhang on this side right here. But I don't know, you can't really see it too much. So let me just leave it there for now. And then you open it up, there's our card. Okay, looks pretty. All right, next, we're gonna come over here and I'm gonna work on this page right here. And I'm gonna make sure it's right. I wanna make sure it was in frame. Okay, and this is a really pretty bird that I cut out of one of the kits. I don't remember which one, but I wanted to put it on this, and I wanted to put it on here. Make a pocket out of it, and a double pocket, like a tuck in a pocket, and just put it on this page right here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I have not even thought about it. All right, and I want it to be under where that is, because I think that's, I like the look of this paper here like that. So, all right, I'm gonna just come in. I'm going to cut about this much off. I can tell, I can kind of see how much it probably work. Yeah. And then I'm gonna clip the corners. All the corners gonna get trimmed. This one didn't get enough of it, so I'll just put it back in there. Okay. And then I'm gonna put it that way. And then I take my birds and put this on here. I ink this up too. And then I'm gonna have like, it'll turn into like a little tuck spot here and a tuck and a pocket here. So that's what it will turn into. Okay, there's that. And then I want to ink my birds too, really quick. I want to just darken up all of the white edges mainly on this, because it really gives it a good, really completes it really nicely. When you can cover up all the white edges, then it looks like it's been a die cut or something, you know. It really does finish the edges. Okay, there's that. See, it makes it stand out a little more too than how it was. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue this pocket down. There we go. Looks pretty. This might have been from the Songbirds kit. No, I don't think it was. I think it's from the Compass and Ink kit. I think that's where it's from. Like that. Okay, and then we're going to take our bird and put this on here. And I'm only going to glue it from here and around, maybe to like here. And leave this part open for a little tag. So let's see how far up. From here to here, probably. Okay. From here. To here. About half of it. Okay. Go put that on. There we go. Then let's show you what we're gonna do. So this will be just a regular pocket you put things in, and this is going to be just a tuck spot for probably a tag. I would say probably a tag. Trying to find one that would be the right size. get an idea. And then this is going to just go right in there, like that. So that's how that's going to go. Okay. And then this, then we'll do a tag or something that goes in here. But for right now, it's mainly what I wanted to do was get this part on here. So that looks good. I like that. I think that looks really nice. It looks like a nice spring bird journal. Now, and let's see, I got this to do. Okay. And then I got another idea what we're going to do. Now I'm going to cover this page with this. Where the white is on this, I'm going to cover it with this paper. And then I'm going to make a pocket and a tag out of this somehow. So it'll be interesting. I don't know. Haven't really thought much about how I'm going to do it, but all right, let's go ahead and glue, since this is already cut, let's go ahead and glue this down so where it's open in the front, because I always want pockets in the front. And I'm going to start here, and I'm going to just glue it around. And then I want to just put this right in there. Make sure it's even on the ends. And I can always cut the top if it's over too much. That's how you cover the page. And what I try to like to do is use some lighter scrapbook paper. Use a lighter scrapbook paper so that the pages aren't too heavy. You want them to be, you know, firm, but you don't want them to be so heavy that they can't even open, you know, that they're too heavy. But this one is medium. I'm thinking is medium, but I like it. See, and so you just look and see if there's any white or whatever, and there is a little bit here. I'm not going to worry about that too much right now. I'll probably come back in and trim it later, but not right now. Anyway, that's already glued on, and then this is an opening, and I'm going to take this. I'm going to cut this into a pocket. This bird right here. I'm going to just trim him like that. And see how I need to get this to fit on here. I want a little bit of edge on that. Trim this a little bit more. Let's see. And you know, and I could use a paper trimmer, but you guys know how I am. I like to do it by hand. And I don't know why. I know everybody does it. Everybody. All the videos I see, they always use a paper cutter. But I just, because even if it isn't totally even, you know, even if it isn't totally even, it's the idea that it's not going to ever be perfect. And I love that. So I'm going to take this off a little bit, because then you know it's handmade. It has character. If there's flaws in it, you know. So that, and even though it's maybe not, see, it may not be as white, like even over there, but that doesn't really bother me too much. So I'm going to ink this up. I mean, I do like it to be precise. I mean, don't get me wrong, but I mean, I'm not going to fret over, making sure I got to make it perfectly, everything's perfect and fine, and, you know, because none of us really like that. And I want to be real, I'm trying to be real here with you guys. Okay, that I'm going to put right there. Yeah. Okay. And I know I only rounded one corner, but that's okay. That is okay. But you know, I'm finishing up this book pretty quick. Pretty darn quick. So, and I'll let you guys know when this is going to be listed in my Etsy shop. This is going to be for sale, this one. And I will definitely tell you when it's ready. Okay, so that's that. And then the other part of the page is this. And you know, why not try to make a tag out of that? You know, why not? I'm thinking, just do it. Let's just do it. So put that here. And I'm going to get out some paper. Oh, no, I want to get out a tag that I can cut around. Put it fit this. Let's see what we got. And that one works. I just wanted to get kind of a pattern of what I wanted to do with it. Oh, and you know what? Heck, we just put this, we can just maybe just keep this on the other side of this, like that. And even just glue it on like that and make a tag out of it. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm going to glue that down. It's a little bit bigger, just by a little bit, but it's okay. I think it'll be fine. It will be great and fine. Wonderful. Yeah, I have some bad news about my cards I made. I don't know if you guys see my tribute to my mom, my daughter-in-law. My mom said she never received her card. And we've had problems with people stealing things out of our mailbox before. And I'm really, really upset about it because it was just so beautiful, and the card came out so nice. Mom said I never got it. She never got it. And I thought, well, maybe I wrote the address down wrong. I don't know. She never got it, but I was really upset about that. You know, because you work really hard on these things, and then someone says they didn't receive it, and what? And my daughter-in-law, she got hers. She got her card, and she was very happy with it. But yeah, some weird reason, I don't know. You know, ever since we got our house broken into in November, there's just weird things like that happen. Like, it doesn't make any sense. It never happened before. You know, it's happening now. It's ridiculous. Okay, I'm going to cut around that. Get it right next to it. Okay. Oh, that looks neat. All right, well, let's look. There's a little extra here, so I'm going to just cut that little top off there. There's our tag. That is cute. This is the Bird Waltz. I think that is so sweet. And so then this is just going to fit right in here. Just like that. And then put a top on it. You know how we usually do tags, how I usually do my tags. I'm going to just put a hole in the top of it. Like that. Add my hole reinforcer here on both sides. Like that. And this on the other one. The other side. Okay. Oop. Not sure why that is looking. Okay, put that on that side. And just ink it up a little bit on the edges. And put it in. Okay, let's see. Mainly just want to cover just kind of cover the edges mainly. Just all right, there's that. And then I'm going to put some ribbon on it or something. Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah. Where's my bag? Got a little tiny bag here somewhere with all these things in it. I'm going to put something on there. Something I haven't used in a while. I haven't used these. I haven't used these in a while. Yeah, I'll just put one of these on there. Yeah, I'll put that on there. We'll just glue it on. Glue this around here. Like that. Just like that. Okay, guys. And I'm going to put a string through it. Probably some jute. Really a jute string on it. Cut off that big piece there. And I'm going to just string it through. I think I'm going to just make it like a always try to use a variety of different different strings and stuff when I'm doing my tags, so that they're not all look the same in a journal. Want them to look kind of all kind of a little bit different, you know. I like kind of like the look of that, having it different, not all the same. Variety. So anyway, that's that. That looks kind of cute. So that's gonna go in there. That's what we're gonna do for that. So anyway, I have a couple more things I'm gonna do in this journal, and I'm gonna be pretty much done. And I will definitely let you guys know when it's gonna be up for sale. And I think I'm gonna do one more video, and then I'm gonna show. Either I'll do the cover off camera or I'll do it on camera. I'm not too sure what I want to do yet with that. And then, oh, and I forgot to show you guys this. This is another like little belly band that you can put a card in or whatever. And it's going to be something bigger, I'm sure. But I got some washi. I got this washi at a yard sale, and I was really excited because I got to use it. I never really used washi that much. But I used it on here, and then this was taken from the Songbirds collection. So I put that on there so we can do that next time. And the next time, I have a couple more little tiny things to do. Oh, I need to cover the back of this with something. I need to do this too. So next time you see me, probably will be my last video. So, okay guys, well anyway, that's it for today. Like I said, I will be back either tomorrow or the next day with another video. And we will be finishing this thing up very, very soon. So, okay guys. Well, make sure you come back and watch my video and see the conclusion of this journal, this the Spring Birds journal. So, okay, guys. Well, I will see you guys later. Okay, you guys have a great day. All right. Bye.